Grome's new shop, and I wanted to show you a simple and kind of fun free motion quilting technique that I like to do. It looks like this. It comes from Zentangle Designs, and it is called Rick's Paradox. So come with me over to the machine and I'll show you how to do it. So this is a design I learned from Zentangling, and it converts nicely to quilting. So what we're going to do is take this line maybe to 1/4 inch, stop here. We're going to take it the same 1/4 inch there, and the same 1/4 inch here. Now this one is going to come over and it's going to stop right there on that line, not all the way over. Then we're going to do it again. And then sometimes you don't know when to stop. I just stop when it starts looking nice. Now, wasn't that fun? So let's do that on fabric. Okay, so I've stitched out my square, and I can do this with a ruler foot. I can show you in a minute how to do it without a ruler foot if you want. The ruler foot will make for more precision. If you can see, the ruler foot has lines on it. I'm going to go to this second line, and I'm going to put that second line right here on the corner of my square, and I'm going to butt the ruler up against my ruler foot, and that's going to be my first line. And when I hit the line, I'm going to stop, and I'm going to do the same thing again, the second line. And come back home, but remember on this one to stop at the line, not the square. Now let's do it again. You always have to keep it on the outside. And let's do it, let's make it go a little bit smaller. This time I'm going to use 1.5. I'm going to try to stop it right in the middle. And I'm going to put it at this corner right here. I'm just going to gradually make it a little bit smaller. And another 1.5, 4 of them. Sometimes it helps me to count, because once you get in here, it's confusing how many you did on the 1.5. All right, let's take this one to 1 line now. So I'm going to put the first line on that corner. Okay, now I'm going to take it down even smaller. How about half of a line? So we'll go halfway. And now this one, we're going to use 1/4 inch. So we're just going to put the ruler, the edge of the ruler on that corner. I'm just going to keep going with that one. And there you go. Wasn't that fun? So I've changed to my open toe foot so that I can show you, if you don't have all the ruler foot accessories, that this is the ruler foot and the rulers, and you want to try this, you can do this. I've done this many years before. I've been doing this Rick's Paradox before they ever came out with the rulers. So let's do it. It's not going to be as precise, but we'll give it a shot. So what I did, I gave myself a little mark to go to with my chalk pencil. And I'm going to use the side of the foot to give me a guideline. And you see how the side of my foot here, that can be my guide. Okay, let's go to the others. Dang, I'm impressed with myself. That came out really nice, and it was actually faster than using the ruler, much faster. So it gives you more of a homey feel. You can do it easily on smaller pieces. The larger you get, the more your little blips are going to show up. But for a smaller piece, that would work fine. Now I wanted to show you, you could do this with almost any shape with straight lines. So here's the one with the ruler. Here's the one without the ruler. You can also do this with other shapes with straight lines, like a triangle. Looks kind of cool. And here's a hexagon that I did, which I think looks kind of like a rose or something, but I just did that to show you. I also have another one to show you. This is the one that I showed you in the intro. This is 4 little Rick's paradoxes. So I divided this square into fourths and did 4. Now it makes a different design depending on where you start. So I had to give myself, you can kind of see that little blue arrow. I had to tell myself where to start here. So I started this way and did this one. And let's see, anyway, that's how I told myself, okay, I started here, and it gave you this design. Let's see, I've got another one. This one also is divided into fourths. Let's see, let's put them next to each other. And depending on where I started, it came out with a different design in the center. So this one I started here, here. So you have to kind of sketch some of these out, or look on the computer, look up Zentangles, and people will they'll tell you which way to go. I also have another one, this big one in the center. And what I did with this one, let's see, I put a line here, here, divided it there, I divided it here, here, and then one more time. And so this is triangles. This is one triangle right here. And this is a triangle, this is a triangle, this is a triangle. And this one was really tricky, trying to get where to start each triangle. They were pretty different, so I looked that up online. But it made a really neat design, didn't it? But it's all the same thing, just straight lines going in your Rick's Paradox. So I hope you have fun with that design and try some of these. Sketch them out first and see if you can do something interesting. I hope you had fun watching us quilt Rick's Paradox. I hope you'll give it a shot. This is a good time to work on your free motion quilting skills and your ruler work skills. Please feel free to leave your comments below or questions. Subscribe to us on YouTube and follow us on Facebook. See ya!